At number 5, we have the Crest 3D White Brilliance Toothpaste. Though it's our 5th pick, it's still an excellent choice for daily whitening and protection. It removes up to 100% more surface stains than regular toothpaste in just 3 days, thanks to its micro-cleansing formula with hydrated silica and sodium hexametaphosphate. Along with whitening, fluoride strengthens enamel and prevents cavities, offering dual protection against stains and decay. The vibrant purple gel transforms during brushing, leaving a fresh mint flavor without harsh aftertaste. Users praise its gentle action on sensitive enamel, 24-hour stain prevention when used twice daily, and the noticeable brightness from consistent use. With sodium lauryl sulfate for deep cleaning and gums like carrageenan and xanthan for a smooth texture, this toothpaste balances whitening with oral health, making it a smart daily option for visible results without costly treatments. Number 4, we have the Colgate Optic White Pro Series, featuring a professional-grade formula with 5% hydrogen peroxide, the same concentration found in many dentist treatments. By combining chemical bleaching with mild silica abrasives, it removes surface stains and deeper discoloration from coffee, wine, and smoking. The enamel-safe formula allows daily use without sensitivity, while fluoride strengthens teeth and prevents cavities. A unique warming sensation enhances brushing, and the vegan, gluten-free formula avoids harsh additives. Visible results appear in just days, with calcium pyrophosphate helping prevent new stains for longer-lasting brightness. Though slightly gritty in texture, it lathers well and leaves a clean, minty finish. This balance of whitening power, safety, and comfort makes it a top choice for dentist-level results at home. At number 3, we have the Boka Fluoride-Free Toothpaste. This formula strengthens enamel and gently whitens teeth using a biomimetic approach. Its key ingredient, nano-hydroxyapatite, mimics natural tooth structure to repair micro damage and reduce sensitivity by sealing enamel pores. Unlike peroxide-based whiteners, it brightens gradually through remineralization and stain removal without harsh abrasives. With soothing ingredients like aloe vera and green tea extract to calm gums and fight bacteria, plus xylitol to inhibit plaque buildup, it supports overall oral health. Free from sulfates, parabens, and artificial flavors, it's especially suitable for sensitive mouths. The mild mint flavor leaves a fresh finish without chemical aftertaste. While its non-foaming texture may feel unusual at first, it ensures thorough cleaning. Designed for daily use, Boka's formula prioritizes long-term enamel health over aggressive whitening, making it an excellent fluoride-free option for natural. At number 2, we have the Designs for Health PerioBiotic Silver Toothpaste, our runner-up pick for whitening and overall oral health. This formula uses nano-hydroxyapatite to remineralize enamel, restore natural shine, and reduce stains from acidic foods and drinks. Hydrated silica provides gentle polishing without harsh abrasives, making it safe for sensitive teeth. Unlike many traditional whitening toothpastes, it's fluoride-free and avoids sulfates or synthetic additives. Instead, it incorporates purified silver to support a healthy oral microbiome and CoQ10 to promote gum vitality. Users report a gradual reduction in yellowing over time thanks to the combination of grapeseed extract's antioxidants and the probiotic Lactobacillus paracasei, which helps fight cavity-causing bacteria. At number 1, we have the Supersmile Professional Teeth Whitening Toothpaste, the top choice when it comes to price and performance. Its patented CalProx formula, a gentle calcium peroxide blend, targets protein-based stains without harsh scrubbing. By breaking down the biofilm where pigments stick, it effectively removes discoloration from coffee, tea, and wine, while also inhibiting plaque up to 10 times better than regular toothpaste. This enamel-safe formula combines fluoride for cavity protection with calcium and phosphates to strengthen teeth, making it suitable for daily use, even on dental work like veneers. Clinical studies show up to 6 shades of whitening improvement in 30 days when paired with the brand's Accelerator Gel, though results are still impressive on its own. Designed to avoid sensitivity, it uses a non-abrasive approach that brightens gradually and safely. The mild mint flavors leave breath fresh without being overwhelming.